Yo, what's up, everybody? It is currently 9:45 a.m. on June 1st. I graduated from UMass Amherst a couple of days ago, and I figured it'd be a good idea to show y'all a day in the life post grad. And today I'm about to go to the beach with my friends, and so I will see y'all in a bit.
What's good?
We made it to Hampton. Got a little setup right here. Got the umbrella, a couple seats. Got this little section for me. We are busting. It's 11:45. Been 2 hours since I last updated y'all, but we just been trooping. Had to get dunks, but we made it. And now we're waiting for a couple of friends, but we are sunscreened up and ready for a day.
Yo.
We back. It is. Hold up. I don't even know what time it is.
2?
I don't know. Let me see. We'll be right back.
Let's take
And we back. So it's actually 1:11 right now.
a little off.
We are straight vibing at the beach. We were just in the water. It's cold as shit.
No waves.
But also no waves. Mid is crap. But
Still alive.
we are vibing. It feels nice to just jump in. But
Don't like running and diving, right?
yeah, nothing like cooling off real quick after this sun is beaming. Well,
Yeah.
you know,
It was good. Am I gonna go with the aiming question?
we got a quick interview question. How are we feeling about summer so far?
Oh, bro. The first month has already been great. Second time back on the beach. Seeing everybody,
First
hanging
time
out with
for
my boy. How much better can it get?
How much better?
Much better.
We're gonna get better later though. 'Cause
That's
we
true.
about to go watch Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, Spider-Verse.
Mhm.
8:30. We're gonna get the pre-release day
Yep.
preview.
Technically drops tomorrow, but we watching tonight. But- Yo,
What's good?
it is currently 2:30. We are straight chilling right now. My boy Jake is freezing for some reason.
Oh yeah, hop in the water.
Yeah, but then standing in the sun, bro's out here shivering.
You got a problem.
Yeah. I brought myself a sandwich, so I'm just chowing down on this turkey and Swiss. But a couple of the homies went to go get some food. Now, Jake, quote of the day.
Oh damn, you put me on the spot. The sands of time. Yeah, I don't know. I can't do that. I'm sorry.
It's all good. Okay. Any words of motivation for the vlog?
You can do it. You can.
You really
watching
can.
this right now. You can do it. I
You
believe
can
in
do
you.
anything.
Anything you want. You take your mind. You take it. You put it somewhere. You're there. You did it.
You put it in this
can do
box, lock in, and you can do it.
I agree.
Got that shit. Okay. Come on now. My phone ain't make it, but the ball did.
Sure.
Yo, it is, what time is it? I don't even know. About 4 o'clock. We are at the end of beach day. Got everything packed up right over here. It's looking real sad, but hey, we had a wonderful day. And now we on to part 2. See y'all in a bit. Yo, it is currently 5:30. We made it back. Currently, we have about 3 hours until Across the Spider-Verse starts. So we are showering and then probably just going to chill for a little bit before heading over. So I will see y'all in a bit. Yo, we made it to AMC. We about to go see Spider-Man. I'll give y'all a review after we're done. Yo, we just finished Across the Spider-Verse. How are we feeling about it as a
I
whole?
think that was the best Spider-Man movie.
Okay.
I think it was too. I don't want to
crazy.
spoil too much,
Yeah.
but
So with no
So, but if-
spoilers, a lot happened.
yeah.
But
But if you have the patience, wait 2 years to watch it.
AKA cliffhanger. But
Wild.
overall, incredible experience. Just wish we didn't have to wait for the conclusion.
For real.
But
Amazing
the
animation,
movie.
amazing
Yeah.
setting.
incredible experience.
Incredible
otherwise,
soundtrack, crazy shots.
music was awesome. The
Crazy
visual
animation
shots.
style.
They combined like live action in it at points. It was
Yeah.
sick.
They got some cameos.
Yeah, crazy
Well,
cameos.
You have to bleep
Yeah.
that out. You have to bleep that out.
Nah,
You can't-
it's okay. No, I don't, like, we're not
Every
saying
movie
anything
has
over it.
cameos.
Yeah, it's
All
okay.
right.
Yeah. But yeah, definitely
Go watch
check it out at some point. Yeah. Yo, it is currently midnight, and I just made it back to the crib. So that concludes my adventures for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed. I don't know what I'm gonna make next, but stay tuned.